National Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for Pamlico Sound, south of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina to Okra Cove Inlet, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles, south of Oregon Inlet, North Carolina to Cape Hatteras, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:17 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Pamlico Sound, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pamlico Sound and Cape Hatteras. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.